Welcome to our walking tour of Budapest, a city where history meets modern elegance in a dance across the Danube. As we embark on this journey from Budapest's iconic bridges to its rejuvenating baths, let us unravel the stories and secrets hidden within the heart of Hungary's capital. Our tour begins at the Chain Bridge, a symbol of unity and progress that connects Buda and Pest, two distinct sides of the city. Designed by the English engineer William Tierney Clark, this suspension bridge was the first of its kind to span the wide expanse of the Danube River. As you stand here, imagine the time back in 1849 when crossing the Danube unimpeded was a novelty, marking a pivotal moment in Hungarian history. Look across the waters, and you'll witness how this bridge not only links two parts of a city, but also represents the blending of tradition and innovation. A short walk westwards brings you to Buda Castle, a magnificent edifice perched high on Castle Hill. This castle complex has witnessed the ebbs and flows of Hungary's history, from medieval fortifications to its role as the royal palace of Hungarian kings. As you wander through its courtyards, take a moment to appreciate the panoramic views of the city below. The castle has seen sieges, reconstructions, and rebirths, much like Budapest itself, a testament to the city's resilience and timeless charm. Descending the hill, let's cross over to the Pest side via the Liberty Bridge, an architectural delight adorned with ornate ironwork and majestic statues. This bridge, completed in 1896, reflects the Art Nouveau style prevalent at the turn of the 20th century. It leads us to the vibrant Great Market Hall, a bustling hive of local produce, traditional Hungarian dishes, and souvenirs. Here, amid the chatter of vendors and the aroma of paprika, you can taste the essence of Budapest's culinary traditions. From langos, a deep-fried dough, to rich goulash soup, the market is a sensory feast, inviting you to pause and savor Hungarian culture. Continuing along the riverside promenade, we arrive at the iconic Parliament building, a masterwork of neo-Gothic architecture that proudly displays Hungary's national identity. This grand structure, completed in 1904, stands as a testament to the country's political aspirations and artistic achievements. Each of its intricate details, from the splendid dome to the majestic statues, tells a story of national pride and a rich cultural heritage. As you walk around this renowned landmark, consider the architects and artisans who turned a vision into a monumental reality. Now, our tour takes us toward comfort and relaxation, a cherished tradition in Budapest. Its thermal baths. Upon reaching the Széchenyi thermal bath, we step into a world where thermal springs have been inviting visitors for over a century. This is one of Europe's largest bath complexes, and a place where healing waters and stunning architecture converge. The warm, mineral-rich waters offer rejuvenation, the perfect way to conclude our walking tour. Here, amidst ornate Renaissance-style palaces and lush gardens, you can unwind and reflect on the grandeur of Budapest. As our journey from bridges to baths comes to an end, we are left with a deeper understanding of the city's unique charm. Budapest is a tapestry of history, culture, and wellness, woven together by the Danube's mystical presence. Each bridge and bath tells tales of resilience, creativity, and the interconnectedness of past and present. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, Budapest invites you to explore, to experience, and to embrace the rich diversity that makes this city truly unforgettable. Thank you for joining our walking tour. We hope you've enjoyed this glimpse into Budapest's enchanting allure, where every step unveils a new story or a cherished memory. Until next time, may your travels be filled with wonder and discovery.